Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is here and now. It's time to be in the present moment because your present moment is what you're in charge of, what you're in control of, and that will dictate what your future is going to be like. So don't worry about the future, for it has not come close to fruition yet. And what you do now can mold and create your future to what you want it to be. And don't worry about the past. The past is gone. You outlived that person. Those people, places, things, those feelings. You're a new entire being. So be in the present, because that's what's going to change your life and make it worth living and not feel like it's surviving. The future does not exist and the past is gone. I focus on the present moment. I have the confidence in life again because here and now there's no danger, and everything happens when my soul is ready. And when you're ready to flourish, you put in the work. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.